Okay, guys, so today is Ask Us Anything. So here's the deal. You can ask us anything, literally, if it's personal, if it's real estate related, if it's opinion related. The beauty of our Ignited group, I love that there are some that, will question. Because if you just take everything that's handed to you, you're going to get a whole lot of bad advice. You have to understand where it's coming from and why. So if we ever see anything, and I love the debates that we have about multifamily versus single family, or different areas, provinces, different ways of doing financing. It's all personal, guys. Totally up to us, up to you.
And you can have multiple correct answers to the same question. I mean, the ways one person does it, or one couple does it, or one company does it, doesn't mean it has to be done that way. It can be done multiple ways. So that's the beauty of getting answers from multiple people, is you might get different answers, and that's okay. It doesn't mean that somebody's wrong and somebody else is right.
One thing I'm going to say too, guys, is that, we are inundated with people asking us, hey, do you know this person? Hey, do you know that person? Different coaches, different programs, different, can we learn something from all of them? Most probably. We took every single free seminar that we could possibly find. There's always an ask at the end, and that's okay. Some people get upset about that. I never got upset about it. This is their business model. They have to make money. They've given me so much value in the meantime. And if I can afford to do it, I will. But if I can't, well, hey, I'm grateful that there's other people that can afford it, and that I got some free information. So don't be upset at them for doing it. But I do have a caution. More and more and more. Oh my goodness, it's driving me a little bit batty. We're getting people asking us, hey, do you know this person or that person? Or do you know this program or that program? And we don't know them all because there's so many popping up. But I can tell you one thing. I'm telling you right now, if you're looking at a program, if you're looking at a coach or anything, please find someone that's been doing it for at least 10 years. Please. People are popping up with courses all over the place. And you know what? They might have some great things to say. They might have some great advice. They might have some great systems. They might have great stuff. But listen, if they haven't been in it 10 years or more, then they haven't proven themselves beyond the norm yet. Most people last in that 5 to 7 year range. So if they're in that 5 to 7 year range and they're still standing, they're just normal. They haven't proven that they have a system that's tried and true yet. So please be careful with that. Please, please, please.